This is John Barton from JB Cases. Hello. I've got a weekly showcase for you guys for the week of the 7th of October here. Trying to get my autofocus going. Okay, got it. All right. Anyway, I got a couple. I'm trying not to say really cool, so I got to think of something else to say because I always say really cool, right? So I've got some interesting cases. Interesting sounds weird, doesn't it? It sounds like I'm describing ugly cases that I don't want to say are pretty. No, I got some really cool cases. That's the best description, so let's go with that. All right, so moving along here, let's go. We got black and purple here. This is a 3x6. It says Calendar Boy on there and Terry. Not sure what that means, but I'm sure it means something to them. So pretty cool. Looks awesome. Backpack straps, black and purple. And this is a 3x6 with colored zipper pulls. And a blue 3x6 interior. There you go. JB Cases. Man, is my focus that bad? There we go. Much better. And nice and clear that is. All right. That is so weird. Everything's like weird back there now. You guys see the JB Cases in the background? Okay. So they need to have for these newfangled phones. It's great that we can do videos and stuff on there, but they need to have like regular video mode. You know, I don't know. All this like I can tap on it and it'll refocus in each different position. There you can see the JB Cases. All right, there we go. All right, enough weird stuff. So anyway, black and purple 3x6. Check out this one. Now this is definitely one of my new favorites for the cases we've done. Now I know you guys have noticed that over the past like 3-4 months we've done a lot of like cool patchwork stuff and stuff like that. Well, this is what happens when you culminate all the patchwork and you learn how to put different materials together in cool ways. This is Texas flag constructed case. So you'll notice here we have the white and the red and the star. And when you turn it this way, it becomes the Texas flag, just as the customer wanted it to be. And thank you, Shyla. I hope that's how I pronounce it. Shayla or Shyla. Anyway, backpack straps on here. But I want to show you something really cool. This is indicative of the type of care that we take when we put these cases together. So not only do we have the 3 different materials here, so the blue, the red, and the white spliced in together, right? That looks pretty cool, but check this out. Look at the piping on here. Look how cool that is. See that? Look. We even spliced all the piping in. And we got white stitching on here. And then on this side we left it white stitching here so it doesn't conflict with the white. Even went all the way, we extended it all the way to the bottom. We didn't have to do that, you know, but we think that that's cool and we think it works out really well. So there you go. Once again, the Texas flag, just like that. So this is a 2x5, 3x4. And we have here, this piece right here is for a spacer, so she can take it and put it in and out any way she wants. So I'm just going to leave that hanging out there. But that's a beautiful navy blue interior. And that spacer, of course, is no tools needed. Put it in. It's got little plastic pieces inside. You can make it do whatever you want. So there you go. Just another new thing that JB Cases is offering you guys. And there we go. This one here is an orange tweed, kind of a burnt orange tweed. Look how beautiful that is, 4x8. Backpack straps. And I think that's the Puerto Rican flag on there. Huh? And it says Zulema. Got a really cool 8-ball embroidered on there. You know, this is hard to do. This is actually hard to embroider on this material. We have to sit there and stand there and actually babysit it because the needles want to cut the tweed. So we have to set it all up. It's a little bit tougher for us to set it up and stand there and babysit it. But the end result, as you can see, is worth it. So if you're willing to pay for it, we're willing to stand there and babysit the embroidery machine for you while it's happening. 4x8 with a black interior. Pretty cool. Then we have here a really cool one. This is black and red top on here, red stitching, red straps, backpack straps, 3x6. And you'll see we got that Rackham logo on there. I don't know whose logo that is, but I think we've done a couple other cases in it. And it looks pretty cool. Let me make sure you guys can see that really well. There we go. And it says Dubai right there. And I like that. I like how that's just like in the corner of the pocket, you know? So it just goes to show you it doesn't, you know, names can be big if you want them big. They can be small if you want them small. Any which way you like on there. Oh, I think I forgot to show you, let's see which case it was. Nope, none of these. I thought I had one where I had some initials on the back that was pretty cool. But check this one out. This one's another 2x5, 3x4 in black with royal blue. And really cool. We got some Gothic initials right there. And then we have, it looks like maybe a phoenix or something, some kind of phoenix symbol on there. Pretty cool. And then let's see what color interior. I'm hoping this is a red interior. It's a blue interior. I'm happy with the blue interior too, but I think the red interior would have been really cool to kind of set it off in there. So customer, if you're watching this video later and you want to buy a red interior, we have the red interiors as well, so you can switch them in and out, whatever you want to do. There you go. All right, now I have a nice Mason 3x6 here. This one will be for sale. Very pretty. It's our Mason case. This is our semi-hard 3x6. You can read about the Mason experience on there. Is this a 3x6? Is this meant to be a 2x4 or a 3x6, Karen? Huh? Oh, 3x4. Okay, so we made this one as a 3x4. So you can see we made bigger cavities in here. And then in between here, I'll spread that out a little bit. That looks kind of sexual when I do that, doesn't it? You can put another butt or an extension or another shaft in there. So whatever it is that you need in there, you can do that. Stick it right in there between. And these interiors also come out, so really cool. Magnetic flap. Magnetic flap here. And our 90-degree corners right here. See how we got nice 90-degree corners? The style, people like that. And then I invented this, where the zipper can come around the corner, just like that. Isn't that neat? So there's a few other case makers that are doing that now. And I'm really glad to see that, that some of our ideas have kind of made it out into the world, you know, to the benefit of customers. So there you go. There's one right there. So that is a 3x4 and in the Mason style. All right, well, let's see, what else do I have here that's interesting to show you guys? I have we got some shorter cases here. So this is, these are what we call travel cases. Oh, and I forgot to tell you on the other one, the Texas flag one is also shorter to fit into suitcases. So these are about a total of 30 inches, I think, to fit inside the diagonal part of a suitcase. You'll see the difference in height in these two. If I put them side by side like that, you can see that this one here is shorter than this one. This is our regular size, and then this is our travel size. So remember, if you want to order a case that will definitely fit in a suitcase, then what you should do is make sure you get your suitcase and you measure from corner to corner, and you tell us, what the maximum space is, and then we'll build a case to fit that. Typically, when you tell us these travel size cases, these will fit in there, no problem. But I'm going to do a separate video on that later to kind of highlight that for everybody as soon as I can go find one of my big suitcases to use for this purpose. Okay, well, that's it for today. So thank you guys very much. We appreciate your time and your business. And remember, if you don't want to build it yourself, just call us, jbcases.com. We'll be happy to do it for you. All right? If we don't answer on the first time, just keep going. The end result will be worth it, I promise. Okay, you guys take care. Bye-bye.